want to break this into mixed, mixed number. There are two ways to go about it. I start by looking at the denominator of 5. I can take 1 5 out of this. I'll be left 5 out of 13 will be 8. I can take another 5 out of 8. That will be 5. And then I'll be left with what? 3 over 5. So this one represents 1. This one represents 1. This one represents 3 over 5. And finally, I'm going to get 2, 3 over 5. Now, that's one method, one way of appreciating that. Now, another student can use another method. He could say, okay, I know my multiplication tables very well, so I try to multiply. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. No, it's too much because what I have there is what? 13. So 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. Okay, I can get 10. All right, I can remove 10 from 13 and I'll be left with what? 3. So that answer will simply be what? 2 whole number, 3 over 5. You see that whether the student is going to use this method or this method, the answer finally will be the same. It all depends on how you're seeing the problem.